U.S. inflation is back above 3%, but lower than economists expected. Consumer prices rose 0.3% in September, which drove the annual inflation rate to 3%. This report is coming out later than normal because of the government shutdown, and it's the last significant economic report before the Fed's policy meeting next week. ABC business reporter Alexis Christopher is here to break it down for us. So, Alexis, what does this mean for us day to day?
Day to day, we're paying more for a lot of the basics, Diane. That's what this report shows us. Inflation now up 3% year over year, well above the Fed's target of 2%. Where did we see a rise? Gas prices. Big problem here, up 4%, the highest contributor to inflation last month. Food, rent, airfare, furniture. All of those prices moved up last month. On the downside, auto insurance and used cars and trucks, we did see a drop in prices there. But overall, this report coming in slightly better than expected because prices didn't climb as much as analysts had hoped. Remember, this report is out 9 days late because of the government shutdown. The government only called workers back to compile this report because this particular inflation report is used to determine the cost of living adjustment for Social Security benefits next year. The White House just moments ago came out and said do not expect the inflation report for November to be released if the government shutdown continues.
And how will this play into the Federal Reserve's policy meeting next week?
You know, while this inflation number is a bit higher than we would like to see, it's not really going to sway the Fed's decision to not cut interest rates next week. We're still expecting that quarter-point rate cut. The Fed basically has a decision here, a choice to make, and it's not a good one, however you slice it. Are they going to fight inflation? Are they going to boost unemployment? We know that hiring slowed to a crawl over the summer. We added just 22,000 jobs in August. We haven't gotten any jobs data since then because of the government shutdown. So in many ways, the Fed is sort of flying blind at next week's meeting. That's why this inflation report was so important. But again, it looks as though the Fed's going to focus on the job market for the time being and cut those interest rates next week.